Today I'm going to walk you through how to remove friends on Venmo. Removing friends on Venmo helps you to declutter your contacts and enhance privacy. Here's how to do it, along with keynotes on what happens after unfriending them and the alternative privacy options you can take. Let's start with the first method. When you remove friends, you can remove them using the Venmo app. The first thing you need to do is open the Venmo app, go to Friends tab, that icon over there, and select the friend. Tap their name to open their profile. Tap the friends check mark, choose unfriend. Note that Venmo will not notify the user that you removed them. The second method is to remove the friends on Venmo web. Log into Venmo web, that is venmo.com, then navigate to the friends profile. Click remove friend on the right side, and that's it. Now what happens after unfriending them? They remain in your contacts if it is synced from your phone or Facebook, unless you disabled auto syncing, and they can still search for you unless you block them. Past transactions with them will still stay visible unless you adjust privacy settings. Now here are some alternative privacy solutions. You can hide your friends list. Go to settings, tap on privacy, tap on friends list, and then set it to private. You can also disable auto syncing. Now, how do you do this? Tap on settings, tap on friends and social, then toggle off phone contacts and Facebook contacts. You can also block users for stricter privacy by going to their profile, tap on the three dots at the top, and then tap on block. And once you've done that, you can use effect. What do I mean? It will help you to block all interactions and hide profiles mutually. And let's move on to the next. Pro tips for 2025. Review past transactions. You see, set old payment to private in settings, then tap on privacy and tap on past transactions. You can also avoid refriending by turning off auto sync to prevent unwanted contacts from reappearing. You can use the Venmo business profile. To separate personal and professional transactions. Hope you found this video helpful.